Yes.
Nobody is arguing that. There's nothing except just the reporting here, and it's coming down to his version of events against common sense, really. That's what the jury's going to have to deal with. And we haven't heard the police interview, which apparently is there, or the extensiveness of it, we don't know. Does he have to take the stand to try to, because at this point, he needs a Hail Mary, doesn't he? He needs to somehow convince a juror or two that this was, in his mind, a threat that he had to deal with instantly.
Yes, I mean, for defense of others, self-defense, it's the same analysis. For defense of others, you have to put yourself into the shoes of the potential victim. And so if a fourth grader was beating up a third grader, you'd be able to go in and step into the shoes of that third grader and defend yourself against that fourth grader, but only using the sufficient force. So here, I mean, what we're hearing is that his girlfriend had grabbed the children and had maybe threatened to kidnap them. And so I don't know. I mean, the defense, even if you believe them, it's not just against common sense. It's against the law as well. I'm not hearing this serious threat justifying deadly force or the use of deadly force.
Now, one of the things in the defense opening did have a bit of this. He's a trained Marine, and Marines are trained to stop danger with one swift action, and it's almost like they're blaming his military training for him going overboard, really, in doing something that we lay people could never understand, but in the Marine world, that's what you do, which of course is ridiculous because Marines don't go around shooting people when they could stop the exact same threat with a less lethal manner. What are your thoughts of that theme of the military aspect of it?
Well, so that makes me question as to whether really the defense is going after imperfect self-defense, which imperfect self-defense in New Hampshire does lead to manslaughter, which, you know, a lot of states break down manslaughter in terms of voluntary and involuntary, and I don't believe that's the case in New Hampshire. It's just one offense of manslaughter. And manslaughter is distinct from murder in that murder usually has lifetime consequences attached to it, whereas manslaughter does not. And so them bringing up military, he was trained, the kidnapping, he saw his child being grabbed and with the threat of kidnapping, it almost goes to setting up imperfect self-defense to maybe possibly hope their Hail Mary is a manslaughter conviction.
No, good point. All right, let's get a break. When we come back, we'll have more from the Amber Alert murder trial. They are on this 20-minute break. And also, we're going to switch gears and talk a little bit about this man here, the firefighter from Ireland, Mr. Crosbie. Our Matt Johnson is going to fill us in on the very latest in the Irish firefighter rape trial next.
These are the cases that captivated the world.
Couldn't keep my life straight.
They were killed by their own children.
That challenged the legal system and ourselves. CourtTV Legendary Trials.
Scripps News is streaming for free on all your favorite streaming services. Once you get the app, get free access to breaking news, live events, and the award-winning journalism you expect from Scripps News. Start streaming Scripps News today.
How prepared is your family if disaster shows up at your doorstep? You can't just turn away a natural disaster. That's why it's important to go to ready.gov/plan before they show up. It has the tools and tips you need to make an emergency plan with your family. So if disaster comes knocking,
let's go.
You'll be ready to help keep your family safe.
It's just a pizza.
Yes!
Make a plan today.
Jesse Palmer.
Emmett Smith?
Both of us together? This must be some kind of TV fantasy.
Nope, it's reality. Tableau reality. Tableau lets you watch, pause, and record live TV subscription free.
Pause you, Jesse. I'm here for 100+ channels. News, reality, movies, free live sports. Plus, it's game time.
Tableau. It's not fantasy, it's reality.
And a smart play.
Learn more at Tableau.